Storm Tracker 12 weather with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
A look out across the region, and we're dealing with showers today and as well as strong winds. That is going to be our big headline for the day. Already have seen quite a few very strong wind gusts. Taking a look out at what we're seeing with our sustained winds, that is south at 29 miles per hour in Lakeview, 24 into Klamath Falls, really picking up along the coast as well. Strong gusts no matter where you are across the region. So we are tracking the possibility for power outages today. It is likely to be expected down tree limbs and trees as well. But taking a look out across the region, we have a wind advisory now has been extended and expanded to include eastern Curry County, Josephine and Jackson until 8 p.m. tonight. Still sitting in place for areas over east side, and now our high wind warning in place for the coast and other areas across the region. We can expect those gusts from 65 to 70 miles per hour. Now, today, temperatures will be feeling much cooler. It's right on par for where we should be at this time of year. 61 degrees for your high in Medford, 53 for Klamath Falls, 47 to Mount Shasta. Along the coast, 50 for Brookings. We are expecting shower activity to continue throughout our day. It is mainly going to be areas west side, but as you can see, we have some shower activity over to the east, which will be much less heavy than what we are seeing as we're heading over towards the coast. But tracking that out as we're heading through the morning, like I said, we'll see heavy to moderate rainfall as we're heading over along the coast and into western Siskiyou County. Lighter showers as we're moving over towards the east side. As we're heading into Friday, overnight tonight, we'll see activity pick up again, and at times we can see snowfall rates along the Cascades and into western Siskiyou County pick up pretty steeply at about 1 inch per hour at times. As we're heading into Friday morning, we'll see precipitation become a bit more widespread, and we'll expect showers throughout our day on a Friday. Snow levels dropping a bit as well. Now, starting forward today, we'll see our snow levels rise only to about 5,500 feet. They will drop by tomorrow morning close to about 4,000, maybe a little bit lower than that. But because of those higher rates we will be seeing, we do have a winter weather advisory issued for western Siskiyou County and the Cascades for those areas above 4,500 feet. So if you're into those higher elevations, make sure you are checking those roads before you head out. Now, in terms of rainfall and how much we are expecting, now along the coast is where we will see most of that through our Friday into our Saturday, and the rest of our Friday into our Saturday. We're not expecting too much to be added to that as we switch over into that showery pattern. We will get a bit of a break as we head into our Saturday, but it will continue to be wet throughout the rest of the weekend and into next week. But let's go ahead and look at your next 7 days to the coast. Windy and wet through the rest of the week. Showers wrap up early on Saturday, but push in again later that night. Over into Northern California, we will see more rain and snow showers likely for your Friday. We'll see winds settle a bit, but it will still be rather windy in some areas. Same into the Klamath Basin. Will also be drying out a bit for your Saturday, but it is very short-lived. Over into the mountains, do expect travel impacts as you're heading into areas above 4,500 feet into tomorrow morning, and over into the Rogue Valley. We'll see showers likely continuing through your Friday with some breezier conditions. Showers early on Saturday before we expect more rain to return for our Sunday.